Question 12. A student makes 25 cm cube of 0.1 mole per dm cube sodium hydroxide solution with 25 cm cube of 0.1 mole per dm cube of HCl, and the students records the temperature rise of 2.5 degrees C. So the temperature rise here is delta T, delta T. Okay, before we continue, many of you will thought that the degree C need to change to Kelvins or not. Means it needs to plus 273 or not. If it's delta T, you no need to really convert to Kelvin. Okay, I use this one to explain to you all. Okay, why we no need to add 273 for the delta T. Okay, so let's say the initial temperature is 25 degrees C. If we change to Kelvin, is 298 Kelvin. Okay, after plus 273. If let's say the temperature increased by 2.5, so 25 will increase to 27.5 degrees C. If it's Kelvin, it's also increased by the same magnitude. So it's from 298 to 300.5 Kelvin. So both will increase 2.5. If you use 27.5 minus 25, you get 2.5 degrees C. If you use 300.5 Kelvin to minus 298 Kelvin, you still get the same magnitude. So it's 2.5 degrees C and 2.5 Kelvin. Means if the delta T is 2.5 degrees C, it's actually 2.5 Kelvin. It depends on which one you want to use. Means the magnitude or the value is actually the same. So means when there is 2.5 degrees C for the delta T, right? It's just for delta T. If it's a single temperature like initial temperature, which is no difference, no delta T. So if you want to use or change to Kelvin, you must plus 273. Okay, because it's delta T, the 2.5 degrees C, it can represent the 2.5 Kelvin when you do the calculation. Okay, that's the basic understandings for these calculations in enthalpy. Okay, so let's continue. What is the enthalpy change of the reactions per mole of sodium hydroxide? Okay, so now already specified per mole of sodium hydroxide. Okay, first we need to calculate the Q. Q is the heat that released during the reaction. So it's MC delta T. M is the mass of the solution. We can use the volumes for this calculation. So it's 25 plus 25 means 50 gram. So it's actually 50 cm cube because the density of water is 1 gram per cm cube. So this one can be 50 gram times 4.18 times 2.5. This is the delta T. So the delta T is 2.5 degrees C, or it can be 2.5 Kelvin. So you get 522.5 joule. Okay. After that, you need to calculate the enthalpy. Delta H equal to negative Q over 1000 N. 1000 is to convert the joule to kilojoule. The N is the mole of the sodium hydroxide. Okay, so we need to calculate the moles of sodium hydroxide. 0.1 times 25 over 1000. So it's MV over 1000. So you get this mole. The mole of sodium hydroxide is 2.5 times 10 power negative 3. Okay, substitute this one to the N here. So eventually you get negative 209 kilojoule per mole. So which is A. Okay, that's all. Thank you.